Right guys, thank you for tuning in. So we've done a couple of TikToks and we've had Kegan driving the car. Today he was driving as well. He's gone for his driving test and inevitable happened. He passed his driving test. He's done well, passed with, I don't know how many minors, he'll tell you in a second. However, I think reasonably, rather than me talk you through what he did, I think it's quite reasonable that he tells you his journey with me and how he got on. And so you guys know, I'm Ayub and that's Kegan. Okay, so go on, fire away, talk man.
So I think, when did I start? In the January?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I passed my theory in January. Started driving the end of January. I've had, that was my third test. Failed the first two. Mistakes of my own, stupid stuff.
What was the first, what did you fail on the first time? Can you remember?
Undue hesitation.
And where was that?
Down here. Stopping at an amber light.
Did you stop at an amber light or did you stop in the junction?
Stopped in between the junction and the amber light.
Yeah. That was like a silly mistake, really.
Yeah. And then the second time I failed 1 series 4 minors for failing to overtake a cyclist, undue hesitation again.
Okay, so was that undue hesitation or was that overthinking?
Overthinking on my behalf, and they class it as undue hesitation. But yeah, cracked on.
And how do you feel in terms of my teaching? Look, I know your sister learnt with me, but let's forget that for a second. How do you feel it was? Did it meet your needs?
Yeah, it met my needs. It was spot on, really. Obviously, I'm the type of person that just wants to get along with people. I like to have a laugh.
Yeah.
If I were to sit here and not have a laugh in car, I think I'd be a bit miserable. I think he'd be a bit miserable as well. But you genuinely can't go wrong.
And how did you feel? Did you feel comfortable in the car?
Yeah, definitely comfortable in car.
Do you like the car?
Yeah, of course I like the car. Who don't like the car? That's a real question. If they don't like the car, there's something wrong.
Absolutely, yeah. Now, in terms of teaching, did you think it was okay? Do you think you understood what we were teaching you?
Yeah.
So do you know the mistakes you made? Do you understand why you made them mistakes and why they failed you on them?
Yeah.
That's fine.
Mainly just from overthinking on my behalf.
Yeah, absolutely. Really. So it's no big deal, man. You fail. It's one of them things. However, getting another test is hard. So you did very, very well getting another test and getting ready. Would you recommend me to your mate? Look, I know you would. I have to ask you.
Obviously, I would, yeah.
Thank you.
You get along with all my mates.
And a special thank you to your mate.
Yeah, Kegan.
So that's from me.
Yeah.
Special thank you to him for taking you up while Ayub was out chilling and enjoying himself,
Having fun.
He was here, slugging it out and helping Kegan pass his test. So guys, thank you very much for watching. You know where we are. If you need driving lessons, manual, auto, whatever, we'll help you pass your driving test. We're in Leeds. We cover Leeds, just a tiny bit of Bradford at the moment. We don't cover Bradford full time, only Leeds full time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.